Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to open a small Zulily box and one envelope, which is down below there. I have two enormous boxes to open from them, but I figured I would leave that for another day when I'm sitting in front of the camera, because it's just going to be too much work and I'm not sure how many things are in those boxes. So we'll leave those ones for another day. I first want to show you my cute Christmas cushions that we bought a few years ago. So we actually bought these from Sears a while back, and those times we used to get the Christmas catalogs every year, and I just saw these and I thought they were really cute, and we decided to order them. We also have the stockings that we had our names put on, and we got those from Sears as well, which was really nice. They're pretty big, so they hold a lot of stuff, but I just thought these are so cute. I wanted to show you guys. So festive. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and open up these couple things here that I got, because I want to see what's all in there. So we're just gonna start with the envelope first. I can feel that there's a box in there as well, so maybe jewelry, and it feels like clothing. So I'm just gonna open this up quickly. Okay, so there is 5 things in here, and I'm surprised because it actually holds 5 items, but it's because they were small and they're not breakable, so they put them in the envelope. So I've got a white floral lace sleeveless tunic, and which is by that Susan Betro brand, which I like. Their clothing is really nice. And then I've got a rust paisley lace trim empire waist tunic, and then I've got these lightning cables, which I ordered 2 of because they're for the iPhones, and I wanted to put them in the stockings this year. My fiance needs a couple for his vehicle, and we can keep some in the house. So these are the white ones. These were a good deal, and they had lots of different type ones. And then I got this other braided. I think braided ones last longer. This is the black and white ones. They're not that long, but they'll work for us. So those were the lightning cables, and I have this imitation pearl and crystal floral drop earrings, which came in this big box. So this is what the earrings look like. They're cute. Wish I had a necklace to match. Would be even nicer. Now the back, I'm noticing that there's 2 different backings, so I don't know what's up with that, but it's not a big deal. I can replace them. In fact, I don't really like these kind of backs too much because they fall off easily. And I did order a pack of clear ones that I can put on there. They're tiny, you don't even see them. So I'm gonna use those instead. So this is what they look like. Pretty cute. I love it. Really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the clothing, and the first one I'm gonna open is the rust paisley lace trim empire waist tunic in a size medium. I've been watching this one for a long time, and I'm always iffy when it comes to buying it because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So then it went down really good in price, and I said, well, I'm just gonna take the chance and order it and see how it looks. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice paisley design, and it's flared, so you know it's not hugging you or anything like that. It's nice and flowy, and the back is pretty simple, and it's a nice length. And it's just armless, so it's really cute. And then you've got the tie in the front here, the neckline, or You can just tie it there in a bow, and it kind of crisscrosses in style there too. So that's it, pretty simple, and I hope it fits nice. And it's by that brand, Susan Betro. So they have a lot of her events. Almost every day you can find clothing by that brand. They make a lot of different stuff. I do see a few threads on this because I've ordered clothing from this line before, and I really like the way the clothing is made. And I'm just pulling off some threads here, so, but it's not leaving any holes or anything. It's just that when you're finished sewing, you're supposed to remove those threads. But anyways, whatever, I have to wash this anyways. I usually wash clothing before I wear them. Okay, and the next one is going to be white floral lace sleeveless tunic in a size medium. This one I have been looking at for a long time as well before. I finally broke down and bought it because it was part of the event. I think they were like $16.99 or something like that. Sometimes they have a huge blowout on them, and that's the time when I will buy them, you know, if I can afford it or at that time. So this is what this looks like. I love anything that's lace. It feels pretty heavy, and it's lined inside. I'm just hoping that this part is not too low, and you know, it goes below the breasts and you can see your bra. I just hope it fits right. And it's pretty big for a medium, but sometimes it's just the style of it that looks like that, but when you put it on, it just falls really nice. And that's the brown there, and they have a little button on the back there, kind of pleated and all around, and pretty long. It feels heavy because it's the lining. I do like the fact that it has a lining. A lot of times you buy clothing and then it's so sheer that you always have to wear extra clothing underneath. Sometimes they will tell you that the clothing you need to wear something underneath, and sometimes they don't say anything, so you have to just be a little bit careful. So that was the envelope. A few things in there I wasn't really expecting, but now we're gonna move on to the box. I had to change my batteries on the camera. I always say, thank God I have extra batteries, and I'm so thankful that I bought new batteries for this camera so that when one needs charging, I can put one in and just continue my videos. I actually gave them to my fiance as a gift, and then I use it the most. I use this camera more than he does because I do my videos. The only time he would really use it is if he's gonna take a picture, he sees something outside and he wants to take a picture of it, and that doesn't happen very often. I'm mostly the one taking the pictures. If I see any wildlife or anything out there, I'm always taking the pictures. Or if we go on a trip somewhere, he'll probably use it to take pictures and stuff, but really I am the one using it all the time. So anyways, I opened up this box and it feels pretty light. So yeah, there's only two things in here. So there's a bracelet and a tunic, which I'm really excited to see what it looks like. But we're gonna open up the bracelet first. It's a crystal and gold tone fall leaf bracelet, and I was watching this for a while and kind of iffy if I should buy it or not, and then I said, you know what, it might be nice for fall. So this is what it looks like. Let me just see if I can slip it on my wrist. I'll put it on my other hand so you can see. Kind of snug to get it on, really. I think it's cute. It's got little rhinestones in there and stuff. So that bracelet is cute, but very, very hard to slide off the wrist. And I don't know if it's because of the shape it has or what, but super hard to get to come off. So it hurts a little bit. I'm just not going to be wearing that too often. I'm going to probably have to put some kind of lotion or something to get it to slide off easily. Okay, so the next thing I've got is a mauve embroidery velvet v-neck dress in a size medium. So they're saying this is a dress, but I think it looks like a tunic. It's pretty heavy, and I was watching this for a long time, and then I decided to finally get it. So this is what it looks like. It's got the v-neck, some pleats there, and it's got some pockets as well. I don't know if you're seeing that, but and then the sleeve has that embroidered fabric as well, and both sides. And then this is the back, pleated. Feels really nice and thick. Really nice color as well. I like that. So they say that's a dress, but I think I can still wear it with like denim jeggings or whatever, and it'll still look as cute. So I have to put this back in the plastic. I don't want it to get any lint, because that kind of fabric, it picks up lint like crazy. So that was everything, guys. That was the stuff from the envelope and the box, and I tried to not make this video too long, but who knows. It's only 2:45 and it's getting dark here already. I can't believe it. You gotta love winter, right? It's crazy. I hope my lighting on my camera is up to the highest, and it still seems pretty dark to me, but we'll see when I put it up on the computer what it looks like. So that was my video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will try to bring more videos soon. Just if I get time, we'll see how I can fit it in, because pretty soon I'm going to be starting with my Christmas baking. My fiance is going to be off with me for 3 weeks, so he's spending Christmas with me and New Year's. So we're probably going to bake together and stuff, you know, do things as a couple, which is really fun. And yeah, so I probably won't be doing any videos once he's home. And we're going to be going to Edmonton. We weren't going to go because our dog had surgery, so he's recovering. And we weren't going to go, but then we had made our appointments in Edmonton a while ago, and we can't change it now. If we do, it'll just mean going there sometime next year, and we wanted to get our stuff done. So we figured, well, if we're gonna go for appointments, we may as well just go and do some Christmas shopping as well. I did most of my fiance's presents online already, and we did go to the Black Friday sale, and I picked up about 4 things in the store, and only one of them was on, well, actually 2 were on sale and 2 were regular price, but that's fine. And in Edmonton, I probably wouldn't need to pick up too much for him. I'd probably just pick up some stuff for my dog when we go there, but we'll see. So yeah, I've done most of his online. I do have some more to buy online, and then I'm done. I hope it comes in time. So I'm gonna pick up a couple things at the stores that are closer to where we live. It's just gonna be like stocking stuffers. But in Edmonton, I might go pick up some stocking stuffers at a dollar store, because I didn't get enough and I like to shop there. So I may just go and get some there too. But I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I love reading comments. It just shows that people are watching. And I hope you all are doing fine, and let me know in the comments down below if you like anything you've seen in the video, and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.